You press the gas pedal and feel the explosive power of a legendary sports car. Agree that the sound of the car is no less important than its appearance. With the Ixsound active exhaust system, your car gains its unique character and will stand out in the crowd. Ixsound is an acoustic system that reproduces the exhaust sounds of V8 engines, making the cars sound more powerful and louder. The system is suitable for any gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and electric vehicle manufactured since 2009. Installation does not require welding, drilling, or interference with the vehicle's standard systems. It does not affect the dealer's warranty. Installation takes just a couple of hours, and the bright emotions and pleasure of driving will last a lifetime. Our rectangular emitters measure 363 by 110 by 115 millimeters and 363 by 120 by 145 millimeters. They are located under the rear bumper of the car and are invisible from the outside. The design features of the emitters provide maximum protection against moisture and ensure the reliability of the system. The high-quality speakers have improved characteristics and a wider frequency range. They reproduce the sound of sports car exhaust systems with maximum accuracy electronic module. It allows for obtaining information from the vehicle's onboard system to reproduce sound, as well as provides a connection to a mobile application for sound customization. Connection wire. It connects the control unit, the vehicle management system, and the emitter. By default, the wiring always goes to 2 emitters. If you initially purchased one emitter and later decided to install a second one, it can be easily connected. So, a horn. A high-frequency speaker for a more powerful, beautiful, and noble sound for your car and expressive pops. Without exaggeration, this is the largest and loudest high-frequency speaker on the market. This is a case where size matters, and our high-frequency speaker can lead. As much as 800 watts allows for the reproduction of frequencies in the range from half to 5 kilohertz and increases the sound level up to 120 decibels. All of this makes the engine sound and high revs more vibrant while the pops are more detailed. The speaker will perfectly complement any Ixsound 3.0 active exhaust system. Warranty, of course, is important. In the package, you receive a mounting element, a warranty card, and an installation guide. The warranty for our system is 2 years. The lifespan is unlimited. Currently, our media library includes 15 powerful and loud exhaust sounds. Emphasize the character of your car with pops and dynamic starts. All sounds are recorded from real cars and accurately convey the sound of exhaust systems. Sound test is our know-how. It demonstrates the sound of the system before installation in your vehicle. Such an opportunity is not available with any of the alternatives. The Ixsound can be connected through the diagnostic OBD port before installation, allowing you to listen to how the system will sound, specifically in your car. The installation of the Ixsound system occurs in 4 simple steps. We install the system under the rear bumper and secure it using the mounting kit. Second, connect to the onboard electrical system, near the fuse box, and to the CAN bus near the diagnostic connector. Third, download the Ixsound mobile application to your phone. Fourth, adjust and control the exhaust sound using the mobile application or the buttons in the cabin. The electronic module reads the tire scan, information about the engine's RPM, and load. And, taking into account the data received via Bluetooth from the mobile application, it processes the information and sends a signal to the emitter, which reproduces the sound of the exhaust system. Once the system is installed, you download the Ixsound mobile application from the App Store or Google Play. After that, you need to turn on the Bluetooth function on your phone and launch the application. It will automatically connect to the control unit of the system. Everything is ready. Through the mobile application, you can select the sound, add pops and dynamic starts, adjust the tone and idle volume, and fine-tune the sound dynamics as the RPM increases. Our system is available in 4 configurations: Standard, Standard Plus, Premium, and Premium Plus. Each kit can also be complemented with a high-frequency speaker for a more powerful and beautiful noble exhaust sound and expressive pops. Depending on the make and model of the car, as well as the desired sound, we will select the optimal solution for your vehicle. Our clients say that with the Ixsound system, they finally understand what true masculine happiness is. Want the same? We will help you find the best solution in terms of price and sound. Just leave a request on our website, come to our service center for a free sound test, and listen to how the Ixsound sounds on your vehicle.